Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this video, the exercise number 2.4, that is linear equation in one variable. Let's solve some problems on this exercise. Okay, let's solve some problems on this exercise. Okay, first problem we have, that is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. If the handwriting are not clear, please write with my lip movement. Okay? Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number. She thought of that number? That will be 3 times the number. And what is the number? And what is the number? See, first we have to understand the question what he has given. Amina thinks of a number. Amina just think of a number. One number think for example, number we don't know. Okay? Yeah. And subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Okay? Let's see, we don't know that number. That's why we have to take that number will be x. Let's take. Let that number. Which number? The Amina thinks of that number. No, that number will be x and 30. Okay, that number will be x. Then and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Subtracts 5 by 2 from it. See here, that is x will be that number and subtract 5 by 2 from that number. Is it clear, students? That is x is that number we don't know and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. We have subtracted that number and continue reading. She multiplies 8. She multiplies the result by 8. Okay? She multiplies. Again, she multiplies result by 8. Is it multiplying to both x as well as 5 by 2? Minus 5 by 2, and that is the result. Isn't it? X minus 5 by 2. Here answer bರ್ತದೆ now multiplication. Directly in the question only we are making it. Okay? The result by 8. Now, see here. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. Concentrate here, students. The result now obtained is. Even now the result after multiplying, after subtracting, what we will get? 3 times some number. Okay, same number. Sorry. The 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number. Which number she thought of? Which number she thought? That is the x. Is it clear, students? Is it? See here. First, she has things about one number that is x, and she has some. And again, she multiplies by 8, and the result will be 3 times same. 3 times same number she thought. How number ke tagondre 3 times will be the answer. And this is the linear equation, my dear students. After that, we have to solve the x value. What's the x? The number. Which number? The Amina thinks of a number, that is the x. Okay, let's solve this. See here, 8 into x, that will be 8x, plus into minus will be minus. Again, see here, I will write it here. 8 into 5 by 2 is there, students, isn't it? 8 into x is completed. 8 into 5 by 2. What will happen? See here, 8 5s are 40 divided by 2. Is it clear, students? It is 8 5s are 40 divided by 2. Again, I will solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That will be 20. Okay, I will write it here directly 20 now. 20 at the bottom side. Why, sir? Because I will solve there. Only solve ಮಾಡಿ. Next step, what I have to do? That is equal to same, that is 3x. That is equal to 3x. Then, while solving, we have to transpose this x to this in this side. Why, sir? Because we have to find the x value. See here, students, 8x plus 3x will be transposed to LHS side, so it becomes minus 3x. Then again is equal to minus 20 is transposed to RHS side, so it becomes plus 20. Is it clear? Yeah. Then 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x, students. 5x is equal to 20. 5x is equal to 20. Then what is the value of x, students? Then what is the value of x? Find out and tell me the answer. What is the value of x? Find out and comment me in the comment section. Yeah, 14 members are online. Thank you. Yes, very good. What's her name? That is Subhashini Patil. X is equal to 4. Very good. What is that? See here. X is equal to 20 by 4. Sorry, 20 by 5. And x is equal to 4. Why, sir? 5 1 sir, 5 4 sir. What is this x exactly? Yes, this x is that number. Yes, sir. That number, sir. Yes, sir. That number will be Amina's number. Yav number think madkondirtadadre, that number will be 4. Okay, students, this is the solution of this question. Is it clear to you? Yes, Bhagya, x is equal to 4, and Pragna with x is equal to 4. Yes, Rajat, x is equal to 4. Yeah, very good. Prakash, x is equal to 4. Very good. X is equal to 4. What is the x? That is, x will be that number. Which that number? That is Amina thinks of a number, no? That is the x. Let's move to the next question. See. Next question. See here. I will write it here. Okay. A positive number is 5 times. A positive number is 5 times another number. 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both, 21 is added to both. I will clear the question afterwards. Just take a screenshot or take a note on this. Both the numbers, then one of the new numbers, becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, just read out the question first. What he has given and what we have to find. First, we have to see that. See, a positive number is there. Concentrate here, students. A positive is 5 times another number. Sir, ಯಾವ number ಹೇಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ sir? That also we don't know. ಅದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Just a number is there, a positive number here. X is equal to 5x. Now, once again read the question. A positive number is 5 times the another number. You don't know both the numbers. ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Okay? See, x is a positive number and that is 5 times the other number. 5 times the other number. Other number is same number. Is it students? How many numbers are here? That is x as well as 5x. Error number. Is it clear? Okay. Move to the next. That is if 21 is added to both. See here, x is equal to 5x. Again, I will write here. X is equal to 5x. That result will be easy. See here. If 21 is added to both numbers, what are the both numbers we have here? That is x as well as 5x students. Okay. Now we are adding 21 to both the numbers. See here. 21. Artha is easy, very easy. Very easy it is. Okay. Then and continue reading. Then number second. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. See, one of the number, which number? New number. New number means this is the new number. Yeah, that is a new number because we have added 21 to both the numbers. Then these numbers will become new numbers. Okay, don't be confused. It's very easy. Now, the one of the new number will become twice the other. And one number we have a double line. How sir? See here. Now the number twice ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Let's see afterwards. Why ಇದಕ್ಕೆ edit ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. See, x and 5x are the two numbers. We don't know. And 21 is added to both the numbers. And in that, one number will become twice. We have to multiply by 2. Why sir? Because one new number will become twice the other new number. That's why we have multiplied 2. Okay? See. Then exactly what are the numbers? Then we have to find out the numbers. Which numbers? X as well as 5x. Is it clear, students? Is any doubts? Yeah. See here. Now I will solve. This is the linear equation. First, the equation barkodu very important. Okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it? That's why first we have to concentrate while writing this equation. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. Easy. Story ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Question will be like story. We have to ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay? Yeah. And this is the very easy. How to solve? Simple answer. Isn't it? 2 into x will be 2x plus 2 into 21. 21 also 21. 21 2s are 42. Yes. Then as it is 5x plus 21. Then we have to separate the variables. See here, now we have to separate 2x minus 5x is equal to 21 minus 42. What I did? Simply see here, a 5x is transposed to here and plus 42 is transposed to there. Okay, you can mark that is 2x whatever it may. Okay, then 2x minus 5x becomes 3x. Which 3x? Minus 3x. Why? Because different signs are there, and as well as a larger number is having negative sign. That's why answer will be minus 3x. Then minus 21. Why sir? Sir, you directly will get. No sir. That is 21 minus 42 will be 21. Which 21? Minus 21. See here. 42, 21. Minus is there, plus is there. We have to separate. Why? Because there the two symbols are different. That's why we have to subtract. And the answer will be minus 21. See here, concentrate. This minus as well as this minus cancel. In cancel what there is see one side. I will not cancel this one here. minus after. Then x is equal to minus 21 by minus 3. Is it clear, students? What I did exactly, that is here in 3, here it is in a product, and while transposed to here it becomes what? Division. Okay, while multiplying, while division, there is no change in sign. There is no change in the sign or a symbol. Okay, now subtract this. What is the value of x? Minus minus now get cancelled, students. Yes, 3 ones are 3 sevens are. X is equal to, students. X is equal to 7. What is the x, students? Yes, x is nothing but a one new number. One new number or a first number. Okay, here 7 is the first number. And what is the other number, students? That is 5 into 7. What is that? 5 into 7, that is 7 5s are 35. And both the numbers are, that is 7 as well as 35 are the both numbers we will get after solving this. Yes, Rajat, Prakash, Nikhil, yes, x is equal to 7. Very good, students. Sidhu and Subhashini Patil, yes. Karigowda, Sharath, Nikhil, very good. Yes, that is Padma. Very good, students. Being activeness is very important. Yes, x is equal to 7 is the answer. But we want both the numbers. That is, first number will be 7 and second number will be 35. Is it clear, students? Okay. Yeah. Move to the next problem. Only we have to concentrate on here is writing the linear equation. How to write the linear equation? Because depend upon the question. That's it. Okay. If this is correct, then the answer will be also very good answer. That is correct answers. Move to the next question, students. Yeah. Third question we have. A grandfather is is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Okay? Granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay? In answer, find their present ages. Let the present ages will be x and y. Okay? See. I will write it here. Present ages of daughter, that is granddaughter. I will write granddaughter will be x and grandfather 10 x. First, we have to understand the question. What's the question? See, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Tata and ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳಾದ್ರೆ. Okay, Tata and ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳಾದ್ರೆ. Yeah. Okay, Tata, sorry, that is grandfather is 10 times more than her granddaughter. ಆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳಿಗಿಂತ 10 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ್ರು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಾತಗ 10 ವರ್ಷ. Okay, like that 10 times, 10 into 1, that is 10 times, 10 times older than her granddaughter. Okay, then one more hint he has given, that is he is also 54 years older than her. He is also 54 years older than her. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕಿಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು 5 years ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ and he is 54 years then older than her. 5 plus 54, that is 59 years or 59 years than older. One more hint he has given. Okay, then after we have to find the present ages. Ishapatandre enkandu. See, simple is there. This much is enough for this. See, let's see the present ages of granddaughter will be x and father's will be 10x. 10x, why I have taken here 10x? Because he is older 10 times than her granddaughter. See here, I will write equation x is equal to 10x. Okay, students? X is equal to 10x because x is the present ages of daughter and 10x will be the present ages of grandfather. Is it, students? Yeah, that is the grandfather is 10 times older than her child or her granddaughter. See in the question, grandfather is 10 times older than her granddaughter. Is x and as well as 10x. Is it clear? First, then he is also 54 years older than her. 54 years older than her. ಅಕ್ಕಿಂಕಿಂತ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳಿಗಿಂತ 54 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವ. See here, if I have added 54 here, LHS. See, that is he is elder than granddaughter. How much here? How many years? That is 54 years. 54 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Is it clear, students? See here, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ that is ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳ ಏಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಾತನ ಏಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳ ಏಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಾತನ ಏಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then we have to add 54 to him. Is it clear? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is also 54 years older than her means while equaling both the ages, ತಾತಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳ ಏಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರೆ ಸರ್ that is x is equal to 54, that is x plus 54, x plus 54 as well as this time 10 times, then the equation becomes like this, students. Is it clear? If any doubt, ask me here only. See here, x is the present ages of granddaughter and 10x will be the ages of grandfathers, and he is 54 years older than her. Okay, older than her. 54 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವ ಅಂತ. That means x plus 54 is equal to 10x. Is it clear? Yeah. Move to the next step. How to solve this, students? Is it easy? Very easy it is. See here, I will take x minus 10x is equal to minus 54. Why, sir? Idenu madidri? No, sir, nothing I have did. That is 10x will transpose to here. That will become minus 10, students. Then plus 54 will transpose to that. It becomes minus 54. Is it clear? Then x minus 10 is equal to x minus 10x is equal to minus 9x is equal to minus 54, students. Is it clear? Under 10 going in, that's why that will be minus 9. Then x is equal to what we have done? Minus 54 by minus 9, students. And then what's the value of x? You have to comment. You have to comment. That is, what is the value of x? We will get what is the value of x? Sanjana. Yes, Sharat Kumar and Lakshmi. X is equal to 6. Yes, students. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. X is equal to 6 is the answer. Here minus and minus are both are cancelled. What is the X, students? X is the granddaughter's present age. Okay, or we can write it as a present age of granddaughter will be X is equal to 6. Then what is the grandfather's age? The present age of grandfathers. That is what we have. Grandfather's age is 10 times. That is 10x. 10 into 6. That is 60, students. 60 years. 6 years. Is it clear, students? See here. X is equal to 6. ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳು 6 ವರ್ಷದಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ತಾತ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? 60 years. 60 ವರ್ಷದ ತಾತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, and he is 54 years more than her. See here, 60 minus 6 will be 54, students. Is it clear? 60 minus 6 is equal to 54, and he is 54 years older than her, and as well as he is 10 times more than her age. Okay, students, take a screenshot of this. Yes, Nikhil, Pragna, 69. Yeah, well, 69. Okay, so Sitaram. Yes, X is equal to Prakash, Sidhu, Nagappa. Yes, very good. Thank you, students. X is equal to 6 and 10x is equal to 60. What is the X and 10x? X is the granddaughter's age and 10x is the grandfather's age, students. And move to the next question. Sir, bore aglagatadan sir, bare way problems have sir. No, it's very easy topic and this will be very important. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇನ ಓದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಓದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಯರ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಓದ್ಲಕತ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓದ್ತಪ್ಪ ನೀ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 4 years, okay, 4 years ago I am in 4th standard and after 4 years I will be 2nd year and now I am in ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎದುರಿನ ಅಂತ like that. Okay, yeah, and here and last question we have, that is we have the last question, that is Aman's age is 3 times. Let's take that is present age of his son will be X. Present age of his son, and that is and Aman's age will be Aman's age will be 3 years. ಏನೇನೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Then see here, concentrate while reading. Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. Aman ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಅನ್ರಿ. Okay, his age is 3 times of his son's age. ಅವನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸರ್ ಅವನ ಮಗನ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಸರ್ ಮಗನಿಗೆ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Then his son's age will be X. ಅವನ ಮಗನ ಏಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ರಿ, that's why ಅವನ ಮಗನ ಏಜ್, his son's age will be X, students, and he is 3 times of his son's age. I will write it here. X is equal to 3 years. Why sir? You have written like this. See, X will be his son's age and 3x will be Aman's age. See, one more time I will read. Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. Aman's age is 3 times. 3 times means more ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇವನು 1 ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 3 ಆಗ್ತಾವ, 10 ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಆಗ್ತಾವ. That means ಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 3 times. Okay, like that. Times his sun age. Sun age we don't know. Sun's age ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. That's why I have taken x here. Okay, and Aman's age will be 3x. And continue reading. And 10 years ago. 10 years ago. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ. 10 years ago. Suppose the present age of someone x will be okay. Sir, ನಂದು ಇವಾಗ present age 50 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, my present age is 50. 10 years ago 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ 40. Is it clear, students? Exactly, that is 10 years ago. That is 10 years ago. That means we have to subtract 10. 10 years ago means 50 minus 4. For example, an age 50. 50 minus 10 is 40, like that. 10 years ago, that is 10 years ago ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ 10 years ago. Is it? Yeah. Then 10 years ago, he was 5 times of his son's age, and he was 5 times of his son's age. 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ he is 5 times of his son's age. 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ 5 ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವನ ಏಜ್ ಗಿಂತ ಅವರ ಪಪ್ಪನ ಏಜ್ 5 times ಇತ್ತು. Is it clear, students? If you have to multiply here by 5. Okay, that is, one more time I will read it. Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. That is, his present age will be x, and it will become, father's age will become 3x. X is equal to 3x. Then 10 years ago, 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it will be minus 10 years ago. Then 10 years ago, he was 5 times of his son's age. 5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇವನ ಮಗನಿಗಿಂತ 5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we are just balancing RHS side as well as LHS side. So that's why I have multiplied here 5, because 5 is given here. Okay, ಇವಾಗ 3x minus 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose his age is now, his father age will be 100 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಮಗನ ಏಜ್ 100 ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಸರ್ 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 10 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಗನ ಏಜ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬರಬೇಕು. You can also see in the previous example. Is it clear? Okay, then now solve this. How to solve? This is the linear equation, sir. ಹೆಂಗನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ guys. See here, 5 into x will be 5x minus 5 times 50 is equal to, as it is, 3x minus 10. Okay, now find out the x value, students. Find out the x value. I will do it here and you do it there. 5x, 3x will come to this side, that will become minus 3x is equal to minus 10, and minus 50 will transpose to that, it will become plus 50, students. Then 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40, students. Then what's the value of x? X is equal to 40 by 2, students. That is, x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Now, is it clear? Or yeah, very good. Subhashini, Sharat Kumar, Prakash. X is equal to 20 is the answer. Lakshmi, Rajat, very good, student. That is, x is equal to 20. What's the x we have? That is, his Aman's son age will be 20. That is, I will write it here. 20 years. Aman's present age is 20 years. And Aman's age will be, what will be the Aman's age? That is 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. 60 years. Is it clear, students? His age will be 20 years and Aman's age will be 60 years. That is the present ages of Aman as well as Aman's son. Okay, by this I will conclude my today's session, students. If any doubts, ask me in the personal WhatsApp number, or you can comment to the comment box. Okay, by this I will conclude my today's session. Bye bye. Namaste.